Hi everybody and welcome back. So today we're going to be taking a look at this. This is the SkyNet Pro by Augvape. This is actually a 25 millimeter sub-ohm tank, and it comes with 2 mesh coils. I did do a review on the original SkyNet sub-ohm tank, but this is actually the new and improved. The original was a 5.1 milliliter juice capacity. This one is 7.1. With the straight glass is 3.8 milliliters of e-liquid capacity. And what I love about this, look at the packaging. It literally gives you all the information, just like on the original one, of everything. It gives you the information on the extra coil, the extra glass. It also gives you the juice capacity with the bubble glass and things like that. So I'm actually not going to take it down low because it's basically just this. And I've already done the original review for it, but I did want to bring this to your attention. I know that a lot of people did get the original SkyNet sub-ohm tank because of the flavor. I told you, it's one of the best mesh coil flavors that I've had to date. Is it the best? There's a couple that are in the running, but it was right up there with my favorite ones. Now this one has the bigger coils, if you notice it, and it's got the bigger juice capacity. That to me is key. A lot of these tanks now are coming with 4 and 5 mil juice capacity. This has 7.1 with the bubble glass. It does come exactly like the original. It does have the 810 drip tip, the frosted drip tip. It's got the wide bore in there, but it's a little bit tapered down, just like the original. It is a screw top, so you literally just unscrew it to fill it. Huge, huge kidney holes right there. And then the bottom, it's got the triple airflow. That to me, I think is pretty key on this particular flavor. The reason why it gets such good flavor. It actually has 3 airflow slits. 1, 2, 3. All 3 of them are adjusted the same way. Whatever you do to one, it happens to all of them. It does have a protruding 510 pin. It is a 25 millimeter in diameter Addy sub-ohm tank, and it does say right there, designed by Augvape. It's got your serial number. Really, really simple. Very, very simple tank. Again, I've done the full review of the first one. I just want to give you an update to this one. The coil that actually comes installed is a 0.15 ohm coil. This can be vaped between 90 to 120 watts, and it is pre-installed. This is the triple mesh coil, or triple coil mesh, yeah. Look at, you can see the airflow. You see how open it is? That shows you the airflow. Here's your coils right there. All of them are mesh. This is your triple coil. And again, this does come pre-installed. Whenever you're going to install a coil, always turn it the opposite way until it catches into the grooves. When you feel it get threaded in right, just go ahead and tighten it down. The other coil that it comes with, let me go ahead and take that one out for you. Sometimes I need a little bit of help getting these things out of the package. Okay, get this one out. All right, this one's gonna be a little bit of a biatch for me, but I'm getting it out. Okay, this is the double mesh. And this one is a 0.2 ohm. It's good between 65 to 100 watts. And if you notice, it's double. Now, I like the fact that they put the triple already installed because personally, I like the triple mesh better. Of course, you're going to get your gaskets and your O-rings and things like that already included. Again, whenever you have a coil, no matter what kind of coil it is, you definitely want to go ahead and lube up the coils on the inside and then on the outside, so that way it'll get nice and saturated within the coil. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And for today's juice, I'm going to be using some of this chilled milk caramel coffee. My favorite coffee. It doesn't have any menthol in it, but it's got that cooling sensation like a latte. It's freaking amazing. And this one, you can like literally taste like the caramel drizzle. My mouth is watering. Great. So I'm just going to go ahead and lube up the coil. Again, I'm just going to put some on the coils here. I'm not going to fill it. I'm just going to go ahead and wet them. Oops. Wet them a little bit. Put some in there. It's coming out the side right there. This right here, there's some that are the cotton, and then there's some with this little space in here. That's so that it can get in between the center of the 3 coils or 2 coils, depending on which coil you're using. So that way it can actually saturate from within. So in the middle of the coils, you won't have any problems. So I'm going to go ahead and finish lubing this up, put it together, and then we'll talk more. Okay, so I've put it all together, and I actually have it on the Druga Foxy, which there is a review coming because, well, it's Augvape, and Augvape, why not? And I'm going to have a vape, and then I'm going to show you why I love this tank. Like, let's watch this. Yum. This has the best flavor. Like the SkyNet was already a flavor tank for me. The SkyNet Pro is like, literally, if I could drink the e-liquid, that's what this would taste like. It's just as good as an RTA and RDA. It's got massive freaking airflow. Look at this. You see, you hear that? That's all the way open. And this is currently at 98 watts. And yeah, look at that. Flavor and airflow, amazing, amazing. I'm going to cut it down a little bit because whatever you do to one side, of course, will do to the other. That was wide open. I'm just going to cut it down just a little bit. There you go. A little bit. Let's see. Cut it down to about like there. Now, all the way open, it is loud because you're getting so much airflow. There's no way for it not to be loud because it's tremendous airflow. 98 watts, I'm getting even better flavor with it closed down. Like, you can't go wrong with these coils. The coils that they provide are literally amazing coils. I love, love, love the SkyNet. Like, by the way, on Vape, I really love the SkyNet. It was sent to me for the purpose of this review, by the way. But again, this is more of an updated review since this is the updated SkyNet Pro tank. But it's amazing, amazing. Now, I am getting lipstick on the frosted tip. I won't even lie, but I'm sorry. It's just amazing. That's at 98 watts. I'm going to go ahead and bump this up. So it's good up to 120 watts. I'm going to take it to 110 and open the airflow. 110 watts. Open the airflow all the way. And make sure I can see that because it's black. It's kind of hard to see. All the way open, 110 watts, 110. Amazing, amazing. I don't know. If you've ever liked like the TFV12 and all that other stuff, this will outshine them in any day. I promise you. The mesh coils that they provide are just amazingly flavorful. I've already used, I had an extra one of the double. That's why that one's still in the package. And that one was just as amazing as the triple. There's literally nothing wrong with it. Now, of course, the more that you're using it, it's not really a juice guzzler. I won't say it's a juice guzzler, but remember that you're vaping a lot. You're vaping it at higher wattages. So of course the juice is going to go down some, but it's amazing. The flavor just literally intensifies. So if you are interested or you've not seen the SkyNet review, again, I'm going to be leaving that at the end of here. You have to take a look at it. This is just an amazing tank. I really, really like it. I love the look of it. It holds 7.1 mils of e-liquid with the bubble glass, 3.8 with the straight glass. It's a 25 millimeter in diameter sub-ohm tank. It is amazing, literally amazing. You can find these at augvape.com. I think they have it at myvpro.com as well. All my affiliate links and things like that are not allowed to be down below anymore, but you can find them on the Wendy Vapes business Facebook page. All of them are pinned to the top, but oh my God, the flavor. The flavor is... Airflow and flavor are my two biggest things, and this has it. So that's it for my review. If you like the review, please give it a thumbs up, or kind of like a first look at the updated version of the SkyNet Pro sub-ohm tank by Augvape. But yeah, it's if you like airflow and you like clouds, this is the one to go for. I highly recommend it. So I will see you in the next one. Bye.